Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, yeah. Body energy, mama don't need bad energy.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have this brand new wig from UNICE, and they can be found on Amazon Prime. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the details, links, and everything like that listed in the info section below. So I decided to grab another V-part wig. This is actually their new upgraded cap. So this one is called the EASICONTOUR V-part wig, and I have my wig in this gorgeous jerry curly texture. My wig is 24 inches long, and this is what it looks like. I'm just cutting those inner little straps because you don't need them. Now this wig does come with 5 wefted clips. The drawstring in the very back, you guys notice the slip-proof silicone backing, and it also has 3 combs and an adjustable elastic band. Now I did braid up my hair the night before. I used some curly products. If you guys are interested, I'll link them all below, so go ahead and check that out. So I'm just pulling out very minimal amount of hair. You can actually pull out way less. I will tuck the very back away because I only need the very front of my hair. So I am applying a little bit of oil to my fingertips, and I am unbraiding my cornrows. You can definitely get definition from doing like a wash and go. You can do like a braid out. I just happen to have my hair in cornrows, so that's the definition that I'm going for. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. I just decided just to use one wefted clip on both sides of the V-part opening. I'm just applying it to the outer braid just to where it's nice and secured down. I'm going to go ahead and apply the other wefted clip. That should be enough security for me. I didn't want to add all the clips just because I didn't want to damage my hair or anything like that. So now I am adjusting the drawstring in the very back. Make sure you tuck that in so it's not hanging out, and you guys can just see how easily this wig comes together. I just went ahead and covered my natural hair over the V-part opening, and it blends perfectly. So this is what this V-part wig is looking like. If you notice that you develop a little bit of frizz, this is just a quick little hack. Well, this hack works for me. You can definitely give it a shot. Now I'm just spritzing down those frizzy pieces with a little bit of water, and I'm using this Curly Girl product. I think it's by Curls Days. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested, but I'm applying it all over my natural hair. You guys can see how I can get some definition. I'm going to go ahead and lay that down and repeat it for all my frizzy sections. Okay, so this is what this wig is looking like. I love how carefree this unit is. Usually I like to go in, wash the wig, redefine the curls, and get a very defined look. But I really wanted something that was effortless and fluffy and breezy, so I just decided to go with the original curls. And you guys can see exactly how flowy and movable this unit is. I just love how carefree it is. You can just go about your day. It's not too formal, and I love that. This is perfect for the end of the summer months going into fall. I'm definitely going to be wearing this during the winter time. And I love how my scalp and my natural hair is exposed, giving this a very realistic natural look. So once again, you guys do check out UNICE. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. I'll see if I can find a discount code to save you guys some cash, just in case you guys may be interested. But once again, you guys let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.